How to sign up for Bumble. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can sign up for Bumble. So to do that, first of all, download the Bumble application on your mobile device, and once you've done that, simply open it. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to this page where in order to sign up, you will be provided two different options. You can either continue using your Facebook account or you can use your cell phone number. So for this video, I'll simply sign up using my cell phone number. Simply tap on it and then you'll have to enter your phone number. Now once you've done that, tap on the option OK. Now they will send a 6-digit verification code to your phone number, so simply enter that over here. Now as you can see, it has been automatically entered in my case. Now once you've done that, if you want, you can set your location services, but if you don't, you can simply skip this process by tapping the option not now. Now you will be taken to this page where you'll have to accept the privacy policy. So if you want, you can tap on the option accept, but if you don't, you can simply change it or reject it. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to this page where you'll have to enter your first name. After that, you'll have to add your first two photos. Now if you want, you can also add it from your Facebook, but if you don't, you can simply enter it manually over here. Now if you want, you can also add more photos, but if you don't, you can simply add two photos and then tap on this arrow right over here. Now once you've done that, you'll have to enter your date of birth. Now make sure you are above 19 years of age. So once you're okay with that, tap on the option confirm. And now you'll have to pick your gender. So simply do that over here and then tap on this option right over here. Now if you want, you can show your gender on your profile, but if you don't, you can simply skip this process. And now you'll have to choose a mode to get started. So it may be a date or a BFF mode. So once you're okay with your mode, tap on the arrow icon which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. And now it'll ask you who would you like to date. So you can either choose the option I'm open to dating everyone, or you can choose men, women, or non-binary people. So simply choose your selection and then tap on that arrow icon on the bottom right again. After that, you'll have to answer what you are hoping to find. So it may be any one of these four. So simply enter it over here. Now you'll have to enter your email address. So simply type it in. And then if you don't, you can simply skip this process by tapping the option skip. And now you'll have to tap on the option build my profile. And now if you want, you can connect your Instagram, but if you don't, you can simply skip this process. And now you'll have to pick your interest. So simply do that real quick. And now you'll have to select your height. So if you don't, you can simply skip this process. And the same for workout, zodiac sign as well, education as well, drink as well, smoking, children, religion, political learnings, profile prompt. And now if you want, you can add more about you, but if you don't, let's simply skip this process for now. Now tap on the option got it. Finally got it again. Now you'll have to tap on the option I agree. And now it'll ask you to enable your locations. So simply enable the locations. And there you have it. That is basically how you create a Bumble account or sign up for Bumble. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.